Hi there everyone. In today's video I'm gonna showcase how to recording the last X seconds you want about a game. Is also called buffering recording. Like I tried to find it online with MSI Afterburner, but no one gave a really simple explanation, so this is why I'm doing this video. And it's actually super easy. There are just two important steps. One, go to the MSI settings, capture video. You want to have, I personally put in manual, like a button to create the pre-recording, the buffering. Set it 0 to basically say, I don't want to have a limit of file size. And here you put the time in seconds, like in this showcase. I'll put 20 seconds just to make you see how it looks like. And you can record the thing from the RAM or for the file. If you have a lots of RAM and you wanna record only a simple piece of recording, I would suggest RAM. Even here it says recording with RAM is better. If you want to record a huge file. And then having the capturing video shortcut. These are all settings you can just adjust. There is nothing you should see about this. So once you set the time, like I set 20 seconds, this is where the folders will be saved of the files. Like here you can see that I'm now recording it. There are no things recorded. If I press 7, which is my shortcut, now I'm currently recording what I'm doing, but there is no buffering. This is, I'll stop when I want. Which is this one. And it lasts 10 seconds. Okay, it's just how I do. Now let's just say I'm playing with games, with other people. I want to do pre-recording. Each time, each 20 seconds, it must record something. That every time is the last 20 seconds. I just press the buffering shortcut. Now you see that I'm currently recording every time my last 20 seconds. And to simply save it, just simply press the recording button. That's all. It's really that simple, because if you don't press the recording button, the buffer will not save. That's why I was testing things out and nothing happened. I'll just scrolling around, seeing stuff, doing stuff. And once I said, okay, I wanna save the thing, press the recording button. You will not see the buffering, and just recheck 7, and now a new buffering is going. Once for you don't want a recording in buffering each time, even if it's really light, just press the rebuffering button. Now if you check, there should be the 20 seconds well, it's not auto check this one, but okay. Did I save it? Buffering 20 seconds. Okay. And basically it is this one. The first one that started buffering. This one was the one that I recorded normally. And this one was with the buffering. Just to be sure what you recorded, you can also check with MSI Afterburner. You can put it on general, show timestamps on screen. Yes. And I'll do another test basically now. This is a normal recording. You can see the finger is rotating. And now I'll do again with the buffer recording. I'll wait for the 21, the 9 p.m. basically to get it right. Okay, so buffering now is on. I'm recording currently 20 seconds. So when the time gets at 30 seconds, I'll stop. And you should see when starting at 10 seconds. And kill the buffering. As you can see, I started at 11 seconds, I wasn't perfect with the timing. But yes, recording the video blocked basically the buffering. I'll do another run. Okay, now at 30 seconds, I'll stop at 2 minutes reached. As you can see, because I didn't activate the recording, the other button, it didn't record anything. So it's necessary to stop the recording. And that's pretty much it, honestly. I didn't thought it was this hard when I started to know about this, but like I didn't find any single person mentioning, which is insane in my opinion. Like, just press the recording button and the buffer will save. That's all. But nothing, nothing came out. So I tend to record on 3 minutes timeline. So I hope this video was useful. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next possible tutorial video. Bye.